All right, target 11, permutations. Now we know how to figure out if it's permutation or combination. Let's actually use the math to try to solve for what it actually is. So if 15 students are arranging themselves for a picture for a yearbook, any 8 of them can fit in the back row. How many different ways can you arrange? There it is, arrange. So we care about the order. We want it in a specific arrangement. So a permutation notation would be, I've got 15 kids and I'm placing 8 of them in the back row. And 15 place 8 or 15 permutation 8 is something you can plug into your calculator, and I'll show you where that menu is here in just a second. But basically what that breaks down is you have 15 total factorial ways to arrange all those people, and then there's 7 that you're getting cut out. So there's 7 people that are not going to be in the back row, they're going to be in the front row, so we cut out the misfits. We divide by that number. So it's just simply 15 factorial divided by 7 factorial. And then you can get that answer. Now using blanks, there's 8 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason why there's 8 blanks is because you have 15 people to pick from for that first spot. As soon as you fill that first spot, then you've got 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 people to choose from there. And then you can build your first row with the remaining 7 people. But if you multiplied all those numbers together, that would also give you your answer. So one way to do this is with blanks. One way, this is the notation. This is the factorial. It comes from the formula that is NPR, which stands for n factorial ways to arrange how many items you have divided by the ones we're taking out. The misfits are gone. So there are, that's this number here, and that's calculated by finding n minus r. So once we have the misfits, then we can take them out, but we have to subtract these two numbers to get that factorial down here. Now as far as buttons go on your calculator, you'll notice I've been doing a few of these, so my screen has some of them on there. But it's all about getting into the math function, so you push math, and then the one you want is the probability menu. So if you do one left arrow, it goes to the probability menu, and there's your NPR for permutations, there's your NCR for combinations, and then there's factorial button. So you just type in your numbers and go that way. So if I wanted to do 15, and then I'm going to do NPR 8, which is this question, then I would get a really big number. It's 259,459,200.